Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today worked on finishing these last 4 disconnect switches. This one was a double right here. And then also I worked on going back and strapping all these back down on the ceiling and down the all thread on the units itself. So that took me pretty much all day, and then started working on the other 4 units. So I got the first 2 done. I'll show you that here in a second. But anyways, went around and wrote on all the plates as well, except 2 of them that Nick got, just writing off. So there you can tell if the switch is on or off from the ground right here. So that's in the on position right now because it's opposite of the off. Here are the controller units that had to get wired or added in. So there's 4 of these, and like I said, started working on the first 2. Nick was running the wire for these, so he took it on the ceiling, down the wall, and into the room where it's getting power from. And then the other one, so they'll be powered up from the right box over here. Here are the wires, the 2 wires powering the one wire has 3 units, the other wire has 2 units on it. And then going back to the home run box, that's sharing for 3 units. That first one, the second one down the hallway right here, and then the third one here on the right. And then here are the last 2 over here. And then these are as well run on the ceiling, and then down the wall, or down through the wall, and then back into that room. And like I said, they're getting power from the right side box because the left side box is an emergency one that needs to get painted orange. But that should do it. Pretty basic day, kind of boring and repetitive, but it was a good day, so I'll take it. And it wasn't bad. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. That should do it. Drop a like, subscribe, check the description, notification bell, all that jazz.